Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find liked pages on Facebook. So let's start the video. At first open the Facebook app, then click on the menu bar. Now scroll down and select the page option. In the pages section, you'll find several options including liked pages. Click on the liked pages option to view all the pages you have liked. Here you will see a list of all the pages you have interacted with. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.